What's up, market makers? Special update edition. Did you just see the whale pump? Look at the whale pump. I told you in all the previous videos, the only way they can move this price is for a whale pump. You have a very, very bearish pattern of a triple top, and they try to send it to the moon. They're still hitting resistance, guys. Let's look at the data real quick. I wanted to make a quick update video for you. Look at this candle. This candle. Look at the candle for relative volume, right? But that's an organic movement, right? It's 3.3 times out of trend. I just looked at this on my phone. 3.4 now times out of trend. And look at the volume candle on that massive spike. Look at this. Relative to these other size candles, it's incredible. This is such a huge amount of concentrated wealth being pumped into this to reverse another bearish pattern. They reversed the double top I showed you guys the other day when we did a volume study, 2 days ago? And now they're reversing a triple top, okay? So watch the whales here in this situation. This is going to start to roll again wherever it goes. Right now, the permabulls are wetting their pants. They are so excited. They want to see this go. But guys, like I told you, the only way this gets up is pumps like that. Look at the size of that candle from all these other whale pumps that they did all along the trend. This is the only way to move the price. This is artificial, guys. Just be aware of that. This is made to incite FOMO, and the FOMO is going to come in and watch. Put on your PVT. You're going to see the volume do this. It's going to go up, and then it's going to start to roll again, and the cycle will keep repeating. I told you they can pump this as high as they want to pump it, but that's exactly where we are right now. You have a whale pump 3.4 times out of trend in relative volume, okay? That's a lot of money going into that, and you can see the spike up on the right onto the weekend, just like we talked about, volatile weekend. You can see the spike up on the ATR, okay? So they can move this around. They're at 47.5 right now. They can move this around. I told you they can go to 50, 52 if they want to, but it's going to roll. Watch it roll, because this is all whale manipulation. The people who are so super excited about this, they don't understand how to track whale movements. You look at the Glassnode data, you look at the actual volume involved and who's doing these moves. This is not a retail move, guys. This is a massive, massive candle at 3.4 times normal range, showing you that's concentrated wealth pumping this thing up, taking their long positions, and then you're going to see the volume roll over like it's done after every single whale pump, and we will print another bearish shape. And then they have to decide again, do they pump it or do they dump it? I told you there's more volume up here above 48K. Let's see if they get it up there and what kind of candles we start getting, because this right now, this is an excellent shorting opportunity when it starts to roll over. So just keep an eye on that. Want to make you a quick update because I did see this move. And guys, just watch it. Got to see who's putting the money in the market, because, again, every single candle pattern in trend that has turned from a whale pump has turned super bearish. You just printed a triple top. Last night, you had a head and shoulders that broke, right? Started printing. This head and shoulders started printing, I'm sorry, a double top broke last night, started printing a head and shoulders. Remember this? There's your left shoulder. I told you here's your double top. And when the double top breaks, you're going to start printing your right shoulder, which is started printing right here, right here. And then they pumped it up again, and now they pump it up again, okay? Because that was a triple top, very bearish pattern, and so they have to pump it up. The guys, you need to know where the money's coming from, because every time they do this, look at all these previous pumps. These are all whale pumps. And again, you can analyze that with the data. I showed you the tools to do this. RVOL and PVT, okay? Download those. Every single one of these is a whale pump, and the price does this. And then it gets bought up a little bit, and it's going to start to roll again. And at some point, it's going to collapse, because they cannot just keep pumping it over and over again unless they get enough FOMO in there that turns the market super bullish. And I told you about that. After 48K, if they get enough FOMO in there and you don't print these super bearish patterns, you can have a return and a pump in the market, okay? But so far, retail has not been buying in, which is why all the candles look like this. All the pumps look the exact same, guys, over and over again, or the dumps. over and over again. It's the whales playing games. Don't fall for the games. I told you this would happen in low volume. It is 5 o'clock Eastern time. The banks are closing. There's going to be a lot of these games being played this weekend. Watch for shapes. If you're in futures, this is great opportunities. It's harder to predict these pumps, but you can easily start shorting when these start flattening out and rolling over. All right, guys, there's your update. Hope this video finds you well. Enjoy your weekend, and definitely look for whales, guys. Look for whales and load those harpoons.